God bless you all. Welcome to my Friendly Maths channel. And now let us see how to solve such type of questions, right? Instead of imagining some numbers here and trying on try and error basis, that will make it complicated. So what we need to do is, first let us fill this here some variables. Say here x, here y, here a and b. We don't know these values and we have to find out. And let's form the equations. So first I can form x plus y is equal to 16. We are getting. This is equation 1. And second I can get x minus a is equal to 6. X minus a is equal to 6. Right? This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Right? And third equation I will be getting as y plus b is equal to 14. Third, and a plus b is also equal to 14. Equation 4. Right? 4 equations we have formed. X plus y is equal to 16. X minus a is equal to 6, y plus b is equal to 14 and a plus b is equal to 14. So here see, this is very simple one. So from this only we can simplify. How? Because b is one number. When you are adding y to b, you are getting 14, and when you are adding a to b, also giving us 14. That means y is equal to a. How? 14 minus b is equal to y. Okay, and then 14 minus b is also equal to a. Right? So this is same, so this will also be equal. Okay, and now our puzzle is solved if y is equal to a. Okay, in both the cases we are getting y is equal to a. And now here see, subtracting. Okay, if you want, I will tell you. Without statements, I am going to give you, right? Subtracting. We are doing subtracting, right? Then what? Equation 2 from equation 1. Equation 1. From here we are getting y is equal to b. Y is equal to a. Right? Now, when I am subtracting equation 2 from a, right? When we multiply the signs, okay? So, plus x is carrying plus sign, so minus into plus, it will become minus. And minus into minus, it will become plus. And here no sign means plus into minus, it will become minus. Okay, so let me change these signs. X will become minus, a will become plus, and 6 will become minus. Now this plus x and this is minus x will be cancelled. It will become 0. Okay, no value, no need to write it. Now here plus y plus a. So it will become y plus a is equal to 16 minus 6. Now 6 is carrying minus sign. So 16 minus 6 is equal to 10, right? So now our puzzle is solved. Let's consider this as equation 5. Okay, and let's consider this as equation 6. Clear? So now y plus a is equal to 10 we are getting, right? So if anything you can take, if I consider y is equal to 10 minus a, okay, and 10 minus a, and that is equal to a is equal to 10 minus y. Okay, and y is equal to a, right? And you are getting 10 here. So x plus x, if we consider this as x plus x is equal to 10, right? Then what happens? 2x is equal to 10. Therefore, x is equal to 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to 5 and a is also equal to 5. Now our puzzle is solved. Here I can replace this y and a with the digit 5. Now it is very simple. See here, I will tell you. First equation is x plus 5 is equal to 16. Therefore, x is equal to 16 minus 5, that is equal to 11. Okay, so we can substitute x with 11. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Now this is satisfied. And now we need to find this one only. 5 plus what is equal to 14. Anyway, you can try. Now b. First let us write down. 5 plus b is equal to 14. In both the cases. Sorry. So b is equal to 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5, that is equal to 9. So here 9. Now let us check 11 plus 5. 11 plus 5 is equal to 16, satisfied. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6, satisfied. 5 plus 9, in both the cases 5 plus 9 is equal to 14 and 14, satisfied. That's all. If you have enjoyed it, please like the video and subscribe the channel for some more interesting questions. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.